Okay, so here's my tutorial for using the web app Appsbar.com to set up your own iPhone app for your business. You can sign up for a new account right here where it says click to sign up. It's Appsbar.com again. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. This will bring me to my splash page, which has the apps that I've created, different ones that I've just tried to mess around with. This is the Cryptozoology Museum one, which is currently live, and the others are just kind of works in progress as far as trying to show different people how to actually create one. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to create a new app. We'll go here. This area, each one of these are templates that you can use that gives you a basics for basically setting up the app. It'll give you a nice template with different parts to be able to kind of work with the different areas of industry. Let's do a restaurant one. Choose that and hit next. The app commerce gives you the ability to be able to sell your products or services, as it says, online through the app through a PayPal account. And I have that set up through the museums app, and I'll share a little bit more about that a little bit later on. But let's put in our app name for our new app that we're making. Okay, and this is the icon that's currently used, but let's change it. You can either choose from their library or you can upload your own photo. We're going to choose from the library so I can show you what's there and the options they have. These are some that they have. They also have some that are more specific, like restaurant. We'll go with that one. And there's pizza. Let's say we wanted to use our own. We can use a Google search or one of those images you happen to have that you're going to use for your business. But if not, if you're going to do a Google search, I would say make sure that you, under images, under your search tools, use the largest size you can. Search just for large because it's going to make the difference as far as the clarity of the app icon. So I like this one. I'm going to open it into a new link. I'm going to go full size with it. I'm going to right click it. I'm going to save as. And I'm going to save it on the desktop. Let's go back to Appsbar. Again, their library, and you can upload your own. I'm going to select an image. That's the one we had chosen. Takes a moment to load, and let's see. There you have it. Now you can mess around with different types of images, ones that look the best, ones that you like the best. You can also change the splash screen, which is right here, which is what comes up after someone hits the app. They have a library. You can upload your own, just as it was. They also have different themes or different colors you can use for it. You can go like this color or this color. You want to have something that's going to have a good contrast with what you have. We're going to stay with that one. Or we're going to go with that one right there. Now after you've chosen the name, chosen the icon, change the splash screen if you wanted to, and set the theme you want, you can hit continue. And it gives you all these different options that are preset for the restaurant app. About, menus, events, etc., etc. You have the ability to be able to move them around. You can also delete. Say you don't want to do reservations through the app, just delete it. And let's say you wanted to put something on there that wasn't there. You can create a new page. And if you wanted to add, say, a video gallery, you could do that. Label it. You can use the icon for the page. Or you can upload your own if you choose to. Continue. And then you can upload videos either through YouTube or once you have on your hard drive. And this is a setup so you can choose. So let's go back. And that is the page we just created and added. Each one of these you can change the icon on, as we did for the first page. You can change the name for each one of them. If you don't like about, for example, if I wanted to change the icon, I could just choose one from where they have, from their choice, from their selection, or I can choose my own. I'm going to choose my own. And I've changed the logo. Say I want to change the name. And the name's changed. Now when you want to go into this, you can actually go into Edit, and it will give you a text box where you can put information in. You can change the font, you can center it. Let's say you want to do a link. You could do the link and then highlight it, or the web address. Use this button which links it, and it gives you where you can put the URL in, which is a web address. Hit OK, and now you have a link to pizza.com. Let's say you wanted to give someone an email address that they could contact you with. Again, hit the link, use the drop-down bar, and it gives you the ability to use email. You're going to put the email address in this line. For the subject, for the museum, I had used sent from the iPhone app. Just so I know that's where email originated from. So once you get your information in here, again, you can update it. And now, when someone hits this, it will open to pizza.com. Let's say they want to go back. And if they were going to email me, or if I was going to email them, it opens up the address, as well as the sent from. So let's go back, take a look. You have options of setting up events. You have options of menus. We're going to go into that for just a moment. You can add categories. You can add another category. And then if you wanted to add something to this, you could add a new item to this category. such as then you can update it. Let's say that I wanted to add something to this category. Now you can see this is how it's presented on the app. Choose pizza, or you hit pasta and it comes up with the options. Let's go back to the pages that are there. Show you one more important one. Contacts. So you can enter your contacts or contact, and this gives you the ability to be able to put in the address the phone number, the email address to contact, the website, once you get that done, you can update it. So when someone is on your iPhone app, they want to find out how to get there, this will open up through their iPhone. It'll show where they are or where they can go. Or they can call directly from the phone. Or they can email or visit the website. So once you've set up all the different pages you want and you have the information that you want to have in your app, you can go to a publish. Now if you haven't done anything with any of these, then it will give you a warning and it won't let you finish it, which is good because you don't want to have items that are there that just don't have any links to anything. We're going to go back and we're just going to fix that really quick. We're at the front where we have the apps. This is one we're creating. We're going to go to the page manager. I'm going to take that one on and delete it. I'm going to take this one and delete it. Take this one and delete it. Take this one and delete it. And I think that should be the ones we've worked on. Let's go back to publish. Okay, we're going to go back one more time. We're going to take pizza vids out just for this tutorial. Again, page manager. Go to publish. I'm going to have to add on one more page, which is good. We can take a look to see the different options that are there. Create a new page. We'll do links. That's a simple one. Again, you can change the icon that will come up through their library or through your own images. Add a link. Update it. Won't let me do it. Let's try this one. Okay. All right, we'll go back. Go to publish. All right, it's allowing us to go. It's checked to make sure that everything is filled out where it needs to be filled out. Continue to publish. Select a category. We're going to call it business. Put keywords in there to help people find your link. Copyright here. The user agreement, I verify that I have not infringed on the intellectual property rights of others. Make sure your images are copyright free, that you own the rights to them. Same thing with the websites or anything you use. I'm going to say yes. Publish. 10 words. Let's try that. Ooh. Okay. 3 to 5 days. It's a pretty good turnaround. I've had good success with this program. Once it actually is live, they will let you know, and you can actually share the link to the app a lot of different ways. The first one is through Facebook. You can do it as a widget on your website, or you can do it through redirecting your mobile visitors or your mobile visitors to a optimized design of the current website you have. And you can share it with your friends, either through Yahoo, Windows Live, Gmail, AOL. Who uses AOL? And you can email them a link to it once it comes up. So what we're going to do is going to go back to the apps. I want to do a quick walkthrough just of the museum app, just to give an idea of some of the things you can do with it. So this is a museum app. I've set up contacts, the about. I've personalized all of the icons. The shopping cart you can't, unfortunately. I have an RS feed for blogs going into the app. I have some information about volunteering, donating. Let's say that someone wants to donate, they can hit that link and talks about the donating. You can hit a link to PayPal, and unfortunately through here it won't come up. It will through the phone to be able to make a donation through PayPal. There's also a gift store that we set up through e-commerce. So if I want to go to that, I always try the home button. Brings me back to look at it. And I've set up different things that people can actually buy through the app, whether it be passes, memberships, gift donations, t-shirts. All these you have the ability to actually buy them online through the app. Update the quantity. Let's say I wanted to go to checkout. This will come up through the phone, not as a separate window, and you can check out with PayPal. So as far as what your business needs and what you're looking to try to do to get out of an app from an iPhone, this is one of the simpler, user-friendly programs to be able to work with. I'm going to show you just on this page. You can go through Android, but when you do, you actually have to use Google Play, and you have to pay a $25 fee. But then it can be posted through Google Play. To use it as a Facebook app, you can do it right through there. This is for redirection or widget-free website. And this app catch market information is where your app is located. This is a link that sends people to your app. So you can send them, you can share this with your friends again, or you can copy this link, send it to people, and it'll bring them to this site. App Catch Marketplace. This logo is in the process of being changed for a little bit better definition. And as you can see, this has been downloaded 484 times. There's only been 4 reviews. And when you are on your iPhone, you can actually download it and save it. It's more of a web app than a standalone app. You don't have to worry about going through iTunes or the App Store because this is a separate entity from that. So we're going to go back. And as far as this tutorial, that's really what it is. If you have anything specific that you're looking for to try to set up, please do not be afraid to contact me via my school email address. And hopefully you enjoyed it. Try to make it as painless as I could. And thank you for your time.